everyone, welcome to the stream. Let me go ahead and bring you in here after I go to that game, the game itself. There we go. And let OBS catch up. Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Peter Moxilin, Keeper of the Archives. Yep, we're back with more Mass Effect. Why? Okay, there we go. I was trying to figure out why there was no one here when there normally is. Anyway, so to catch up with the drink along before I get into the game itself, I actually still have like a quarter of the previous stream's mint tea here. Yep, that sure is room temperature tea. I have a full mug of freshly brewed honey ginger tea. Gonna not sip that yet, 'cause it's gonna be actually, that feels decently warm. Yep, still a little bit on the hot side for me. Drinkable, though. And finally, honestly, just gonna lay it out totally honest here. Doing 6 streams in 3 days has been kind of taking its toll on me. Like, I don't quite know if it's kind of a hangover from the Wednesday to Thursday stuff that was happening that made me cancel the stream, or if it's just like I actually am exerting myself by being here 4 hours a day. But just whatever the reason, especially knowing that this little marathon, semi-marathon of mine is about to be over for a bit, I decided to go ahead and make myself a glass of spiced buttered rum. So I've had this once before. The actual recipe, because I made my own spiced rum and I still have some of it remaining, the actual recipe is just adding the spiced rum. Like, I did a ½ ounce of simple. I think it's supposed to be a ¼ ounce, but I know that I like my drinks sweet, and this is supposed to be a comfort drink for me anyway. 4 ounces of water, which I think that I used 3 last time. So it's also going to be a little bit more watered down, but also a little bit more sugary. Let's see what happens. And then, what is supposed to be an amount of butter equal to the size of a walnut, or something like that. So I just kind of chop off like ½ a tablespoon or something. That's probably close, I guess. And that's the entire recipe. Just throw all those together. Oh yeah, that is so good. It's got that silky texture, lots of cinnamon up front with a very heavy vanilla undertone throughout the entire flavor. The rum is definitely in there. That is a drink that's not hiding that's alcohol, but is very flavorful and nice to drink. Okay, let's get into the actual game, because that's all I got here to drink. Apologies for the silence there. I was taking one last bite of potato before I actually got into the game. I haven't had a full dinner yet, but I I microwaved a potato so that it could at least hold me over. Anyway, Jay? Oh, wait, no. Oh. I was thinking that, I was thinking these side missions, but which are very character-centric, were over here in the main mission area. Nah. So this is what we're doing next for main mission. This is what happens after. I think this is our general main mission. Yeah, find the conduit, which requires going to Vermeer. So, yeah, okay. So, all that's the main mission that we are not doing yet. Find shit, find shit, find shit. Okay, then we have not find shit. These two are the character-centric stories. You know what? Sure. These are a little bit more interesting, a little more character-driven, so sure. Let's see, where are we going for this? Argos Row Cluster. Oh yeah, also, since we got through Feros, that probably means that we have more clusters open now. Probably. Unfortunately. Yeah, looks like it's about the same number to me. Argos Row. There you are. There's only one thing. Oh, no, there's that. Hold on. Phoenix or Hydra? Family armor. Somewhere in Argos Row. Oh, right. Rex mentioned something to the effect of he knows the cluster, but not anything more specific, and it would be way too costly in terms of, like, just time to actually try to find it more specific than that. trying to blow off my tea a little bit. Have we been to you? You sound familiar. Hold on. There's nothing there. I'm gonna try going over here first, because I feel like we should get some kind of signal or something. No? Okay. Let's start out here, go inward. Ah, we have not been here before. Okay. Vebenook. Vebenook is a small terrestrial world with a thin atmosphere of krypton and xenon. Its frozen surface is mainly composed of carbonaceous material, water ice, and low-density silicates. Rare but concentrated loads of light metals have been deposited by asteroid impacts. One hemisphere of Vebenook is covered by surface deposits of oxidized copper, probably why there's green. Approximately 270 years ago, a Turian bulk gas transport was attacked by pirates in the Phoenix system. Damaged, it made a rough landing on Vebenook. The heat of the landing melted significant quantities of surface ice and ruptured shipping containers, spilled LOX, liquid oxygen, across the surface. Before this evaporated and escaped Vebenook's weak gravity, it reacted to cause the widespread rust. So there's no oxygen in the normal atmosphere? Quarter of Earth's atmosphere. Oh, atmosphere of krypton and xenon. Oh, hey! They followed through with that for once. Normally the atmosphere composition doesn't factor into anything. Light metal, cobalt. If you say so. Sisalto. Sisalto is a standard hydrogen-helium gas giant. It has no remarkable features. Oh, poor Sisalto. That's the only time we'll ever hear of you. Kuntao, deal with you in a moment. Patashi. Patashi is a sun-blasted terrestrial world whose atmosphere was blasted away millennia ago by the star Phoenix. The surface is scorching hot, yup, and mainly composed of iron with deposits of tin. That looks kind of sand-like. That could be iron rust very easily. Okay. Due to the relatively low density, Patashi is tightly locked to Phoenix. Seas of molten light metals cover much of the sunward side. Rare element, samarium. Seas of light metals. And we didn't find a light metal. Oh, wrong thing. There we go. Search the asteroid belts. Up, up. There's the thing. Huh? Oh, right, it was a ship, wasn't it? This asteroid is emitting a weak, intermittent signal at a frequency of 1540 megahertz. Protein data disk. Okay, I guess that. Huh, was not expecting that. No, it was Dr. Hart is we have the transponder frequency or something. There you go. Just the one. Okay. Let's land on Tuntao and hope that that's Krogan. Let's hope that that's Rex's planet. Tuntao. Tuntao is an enormous, low-density terrestrial planet with a thick atmosphere of methane and helium. Despite being nearly 20 AU from Phoenix, the star's great heat and the insulating thickness of the atmosphere make the surface surprisingly temperate. The crust is mainly composed of sodium and silicon dioxide with deposits of various light metals. While Tuntao is not habitable, the relative pleasantness of the surface conditions make it a popular location for small ships traveling through the Argos Rho cluster to land for drive discharge. Yeah, 21C, 1.1G, that's actually a pretty damn good planet if it weren't for this. It's a lot. Anyway, landing. Boop, boop. Oh, I guess this isn't Rex's planet then. I guess that means the Argos Rho just opened up? Huh, weird. Oh no, I think that you might be able to redo your party comp when you interact with stuff like that. I think that's how that works. Yay! Anyway, there's the map, and I'm going to BRB so I can bring up the full map on my second monitor. And I'm actually going to BRB a little bit longer than usual because I'm also going to go get my phone. I left that outside of my little recording studio here. So, back in like 15, 20, or like 30 seconds as opposed to 15, 20 seconds. Bye. Okay, let's get you back in here. There we go, I think. Yep, okay. So, easiest. Honestly, this actually isn't hiding much. It's hiding 2 ore deposits, and that's it. Awesome. Hidden structure, debris, anomaly. Probably. Ooh. That's impassable. Probably best to go around this way, though, because this is hidden. So that's probably whatever the closest thing to a plot for this planet is. This way? No. It's this way. There, probably that. You are gonna let me go over there, right? Because that red wall's getting awful close. Okay, looks like we're good. I ran out of boost. Good. There's the pyramid. Yep, these are just a thing in Mass Effect. I don't think they are ever explained. They are supposedly Prothean ruins, though why the Protheans made icosahedrons? No, that's the 20-sided. Tetrahedrons. I can still save. I'm just so paranoid at this point.
Redeploying.
Yay, thing! Matriarch's writings. I get the... It's a terrible idea. Even if I could get the Mako up there, I can't park it on anything. Oh, nothing up here. Which is why that's there. So they basically got the data disk, then fled or something. Okay, next up is over here. That's probably a little bit off, but whatever, close enough. You know, I never actually tried it, at least not recently. I kind of wonder if you could trigger a Thresher Maw, then just run the hell away. I'm pretty sure you can do that. It's just like, at worst, the Maw's health will reset. But that would give you an opportunity to go save. Wow, I actually found a way up. Go me. Yeah, a little bit further off than usual, but whatever. Now just don't fall off a cliff on your approach and you should be good. Up. There you are. Mercury. Ah yes, Mercury, known for its boulders at approximate... I'm pressing D. Known for its boulders at approximately room temperature. Yay. Oh, there's mercury in this Mercury? Good to know. Move to that. This is going to be a pain in the ass to get over. Go through there, probably. Where is it? Okay. Hit the wall to the 360. Sweet. Saw something light up. Oh, there you are. Wow, that really blends in with this terrain. Just keep left clicking until you win. Cool. Ooh, combat optics 9. That actually might be good. Yeah, we're currently on 7 here. Level 9 detection plus 18 accuracy. Okay, it would make total sense to put this on me, but I'm going to put this on Garrus because it's plus accuracy and gives him not level 9 detection. Granted, it is taking away the plus 23 or whatever % damage modifier, which means that he is going to be doing less damage, but we'll see how much that affects him. Because level 9 detection plus 18% accuracy may well be worth it. Because that essentially makes him a true sniper at this point. Like, he's going to be able to see everything, or at least close to everything. And his damage should still be pretty high, I think. It's obviously going to be lower, like, objectively, but high enough, based on the explosive rounds and the one rail extension. Up, Joker's going to yell at me.
You need to turn back, Commander. You're going beyond the range of the operational area.
Joker, there's a boulder of useful stuff here, theoretically. Hold on. Let me stay here for a moment. Okay, it looked a little bit like the red area was pulsating, like it kind of wibbles back and forth a bit, which would be really weird.
You need to turn back, Commander. You're going beyond the range of the operational area.
Joker, I will do whatever.
You need to turn back, Commander. You're going beyond the range of the operational area.
Just getting out of the muck will push me a little bit further. Yay, lithium.
You need to turn back,
Shut up!
Commander. You're going beyond the range of the operational area.
Okay, so now we're up here, so now we just have this. Yep. There, returning to the operational area, I guess. Oh, God, I'm about to get attacked by a treasure maw. Like, I actually don't think so. I think I remember this planet, and I don't think anything pops up. Just to be safe, though. Across the salt flats, or whatever the hell this is. This is an interesting floor texture. Like, this is different and a bit alien, but also totally understandable as to what's going on. This is good. Are we almost there? Okay, just gotta get over this now. Okay, so that was the salt flat, as I'm calling it. Technically, I don't think it's salt. I think that it's sodium and or silicon dioxide or such. So basically, it's plates of sand. Yeah, there's a reason I don't have a degree in chemistry. Oh, enemies. I guess it is a hidden structure. This better be built into the side of a mountain or something, and not just like a shack in the open. Okay, you at least try, I think. Much like those soldiers. Did I actually take them all out in one shot? Okay. I thought there'd at least be one dude left over to shoot back. Correct gun, correct gun, correct gun. I can see you on the map, my dudes.
Hostile contact.
Enemy is everywhere!
Damn. Please get out of there. Just gonna do this.
Good to go.
Oh my god, would you die? In case you're wondering how useful the Unity ability was.
Shutting them down.
Goodbye, Tonactus. Wait, so this is Rex's area. That man exploded. Okay, actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Go back to the save. F to get up to Normandy. I feel really bad about not taking Rex on this, so I want to make sure to take Rex. Land. Forgot that was gonna pop up. You, go. Because that should drop us off here. We have all these. Yep, so we just have this base. Now, inventory. Or not Rex. Shotgun. Okay, I decided that before. So we're currently on Proton 6, which is 50% shield bypass. It's toxic. There's 55% shield bypass. Let's give you... Right, okay. I was thinking for a moment the Combat Optics 9 again. I obviously don't have that anymore. Yeah, I think that you're... Oh, you have improved sighting 2, so let's go with 3 down here, sure. And then 14% absorption. Heat dampening versus heat absorption, I have no idea. Let's just give you that then. Then your assault rifle is your off weapon. What? Oh, so... Oh! It's a pulse rifle, so it's a Geth weapon, so it actually can't take upgrades. Oh, interesting. Maybe that's why its numbers are so high. Actually, its numbers are so high that I don't want to get rid of this weapon. Huh. We'll leave that for now and see how that goes. Sure, I guess. Wait, we just changed over. Whatever. Okay. Yeah, Garrus is the one that we bought the good armor for. Right, okay. I was trying to remind myself of that for a moment. Okay, we're looking for the HP regen one. There we go. Just give one of those to everyone, basically. This actually makes a lot of sense for him, so I want a good version of that. So that's kinetic exoskeleton. And he currently has 7, doesn't he? No, he has 8, and that's the one we were looking at. Okay, cool. In that case, let's go. That's selected. Over to here. Good Mako. This is more like the approach you're supposed to take, I think. I went in the wrong direction. Just go over. Just go over. Hello! Hey, good job. You got like 2 bullets off that time. Now to go do this. I mean, if I manage to mix up the planet somehow, these are the 2 that I have side missions for, so it's right one way or another.
This is the place. My armor's here somewhere.
Cool. What abilities does Rex have again? Rex... No. Actually, I want to see what the pulse rifle can do, so sure. Immunity, barrier, warp, stasis, shield boost, throw. Okay. Hello. I said hello. And shield boost. And warp. Oh yeah, if I just keep exploding them, they can never get up. Okay, so that's the pulse rifle. Where are you shooting? I think he's dead. So those 2 are probably up. Oh, nope. Hi. Did I kill it? Oh my god, okay. Yeah, explosive shotgun is apparently really good. Check over here for the minor goodies. Oh, I thought that was going to be a malfunctioning crate. And check the upper level room for whatever. Ooh, nice. High explosive 9 we don't actually have. Proton 7 or whatever that was might actually be good. Frictionless 9, kinetic 9. High explosive 10. Oh. Yes, please. 500% heat generation, 500% force, 20 damage. 28, and a bigger blast radius. And Garrus, sniper, explosive, currently has 8, go up to 9. And Rex we don't care about because we're not going to use him. There we go. Alright, Proton was the other one I was going to look at. I'm not actually going to use this, but what does it do? Proton, Proton, Proton. Polonium, Proton. Yeah, that's shield bypass. Okay.
This is it. I can't believe my ancestors ever wore this piece of crap. But at least I've got it back.
I'm glad we could help you get it back.
I might just be starting to like you, Shepard.
Rex touches his grandfather's armor. His expression thoughtful, perhaps? Krogan hard to read. Then he shakes off his bemusement and grips his gun with renewed purpose. Time to move on. Yay! Loot the lower room! I wonder if that actually like factors into his loyalty at all. Like, if you don't do the armor mission, does it make it harder to get his loyalty later? Does it make it so that the check on Vermeer is harder? Nice, getting some 9s. Huh, Sokolov... Yeah, Sokolov 9 might actually be good for us. Oh, that's actually much more difficult. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Ah, damn it. I actually did miss that one. There we go. Prodigy Striker. Scorpion 9 might be an upgrade. Scorpion. There. Not really, no. Okay. Now the Sokolov 9. Ooh. Accuracy doesn't matter much for us because we're the player. Much higher heatsink and a decent bit better damage. We are actually better, kind of, than the Master Gear 7 at this point. Which also means that Garrus might have a better sniper now. Nope. Nope, never mind. So we're still on our shotgun. 3 shots to overheat, which I thought the heatsink was better. And also can't spam shoot quite as easily. Okay. It's not so different that I can't use it, and it is a damage increase. So that alone is good enough. Mako, whatever. F to return to the Normandy. Go. And since that was the right location, that's probably... we probably have looked at the other. So let's go to the Herschel system in the Kepler Verge. Okay. Just taking a sip of my rum there. Kepler Verge, where are you? There you are. Newton, Herschel. Pretty sure we've been to Newton before. The one bad part about the spiced buttered rum is that you actually need to drink it fairly quickly. Because once it cools down to like room temperature, then it's just like watered down rum. And then eventually the butter starts to re-solidify out of suspension. Not like fully, but enough to leave like a bit of a residue. Klobaka. Klobaka is a moderately sized terrestrial world with a hazy hydrocarbon atmosphere. Its surface is mainly composed of chlorides with deposits of solid and liquid form hydrocarbons. Well, there's our target, I guess. Klugan. Klugan's hydrogen-helium atmosphere is given a fairly dramatic emerald tint by chlorine and ionized gases. It has nearly 100 moons. Matol. Several attempts to chart Matol have been made, but none have been successful. By normal standards, a small rock planet, Matol has a dense atmosphere composed of carbon dioxide and argon, with a surprising amount of water vapor. Fogs and rain are common on this barren, lifeless surface. Atoll is pleasant enough to be considered a terraforming prospect, though its low mass and the high radiation of the energetic blue star Herschel place it fairly far down on the list. 39C as an average surface temperature, half a standard G, half atmospheric pressure, lots of rain and fog. I would really expect this to be a life-bearing planet, at least in this franchise. Like, IRL, you can make all kinds of excuses, life is rare and all that. This is the kind of thing where I would expect life to develop at some point, because it's got a lot of rain to kind of move chemicals around, be a solvent, kind of make that slurry of primordial ooze. It's got enough temperature that stuff isn't frozen, so that's good. And that's enough temperature. I suppose if there's, like, no wind, then stuff would be relatively stagnant. Even then, I would suspect that with that kind of temperature, there would be enough of an energy gradient for something to eat it. I've gone through that entire spiel before, though, so I'll save you all of that. Tungal is a massive terrestrial world nearly twice the size of Earth, with a dense atmosphere of nitrogen and ethane. Its scorching hot surface is mainly composed of iron, with extensive deposits of heavy metals and radioactives. It is a mineralogical treasure trove, and many corporations are lobbying for mining rights. And it's almost 250 degrees Celsius. Okay. Oh, check the asteroid belt real quick. There's something. A metal-rich asteroid. Okay. Heavy metal. Platinum. Yay. Cool. Is it a Kowloon-class ship? The Fidela is a Kowloon-class modular conveyor of human design. In addition to the standard cargo bay, the hull has several biological research modules attached. Private owner, Dr. R. Hart. Boop, boop, boop. Now the real question is, do I have the Paragon to stop Garrus from shooting this man in the face? The answer is maybe. I don't know. Actually. Squad. Our Paragon is pretty high at this point. Not maxed out, though. By the way, I did spend everyone's points, right? Yeah, that'd be glowing if I hadn't. Well, it's the only direction. Don't shoot me, I don't shoot you. In fact, you two stay back just to be sure about that. Oh. Well, never mind. I win. That explosion did less damage than my gun. I guess this is what happens when your gun explodes. Or your gun causes explosions. I know they were labeled test subjects, so maybe they weren't quite hostile, but it looked like they were coming after me there, just like on a much longer initial delay. And I don't think there's any kind of morality on this of like, oh no, you killed my test subjects or something. I think that it's just they're an obstacle. Okay, good, I guessed right. He's in the lab, not the cockpit. Hello.
Thank you for saving me from those things.
Bang.
Commander, that's him. That's Dr. Saleon.
What? My name is Hart. Dr. Hart. Please, get me out of here.
Are you sure it's him?
Positive. There's no escape this time, Doctor. I'd harvest your organs first, but we don't have the time.
You're crazy. He's crazy! Please, don't let him do this to me.
We'll take him in, drop him off at the military.
But we have him. We can't let him get away. Not again.
If he dies, we'll never know what he's been up to, or how he did it. We'll take him in, interrogate him, and he'll serve his time.
Okay. You're right. You're a very lucky Solarian. You owe the commander your life.
Oh, thank you so very much.
Just immediately shoot him. Bah, bah, bah.
And so he dies anyway. What was the point of that?
I forgot they were going to shoot him, so I just tried to work with it in the moment by putting them back further.
You can't predict how people will act, Garrus, but you can control how you'll respond. In the end, that's what really matters.
Yeah. I don't think I ever met anyone like you, Commander. Well, I guess we're done here.
Salian's medical equipment is stained with the blood of many species. Pale blue, violet, orange, and more than a few dark red. But his work has ended here. Time to head back to the Normandy. After looting the place... I get what they're going for there. I'm not sure that one lands quite as well as it should. Hi there. How do I get up? There, that works. Okay, go. Shit. I got impatient. But you get 2 chances, I think. Yep. No. Oh no, I failed at Frogger. Oh, I get a 3rd chance, okay. Well, that's a big, nice open area. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. I almost had to learn something there. Combat. Oh, we got medical exoskeleton. 9. 4. There we go. I was trying to figure out why that didn't look like it upgraded. And also we have the combat optics, right? Sure. Plus accuracy. Why not? There we go. Katana 9, Armageddon 9. Armageddon 9 might actually be an upgrade for us. Not quite, though it is close. Actually, looking at those numbers, not as close as I thought it was. I saw the one yellow bar. Yeah, no, what we have is pretty damn good. Phoenix 7, Phoenix 9, medium human Phoenix 9. Is that what we're using? Oh, we're using the Predator 7. Phoenix 9, medium. Nope, okay. Okay. Wetware. Solaris 10. Ooh. We have a biotic amp, don't we? Yeah. God damn it, Solaris. Why do the amps suck so bad? Like, I have never... Okay, with the exception of, like, the very beginning of the game where you have the Prodigy or Savant... Hi. Yeah, like that, basically. With the exception of something like this, there's basically no other point in the game where it feels good to just get a new biotic amp. And even for her, okay, it's a direct upgrade, it actually does something better. This is what I like seeing, where it's the same, and then a little bit of an improvement. Yay! That feels like I actually did something. And I can do that approximately like once to twice in the entire game because of how these amps are parsed out. Okay, sure. That's a worthwhile upgrade. I'd like to have more power bonus, but cooldown's okay. Ammo. Scram Rail 9. Ooh, that might be good, actually. We have Rail Extension 7. Scram 9. Currently at 29%. 23%, but for 10 absorption. Versus 20 absorption. Okay. And that's that mission, so let's leave. Anything here? I don't think so, but maybe. Nah. Okay. Moving on. And back to the Normandy. I was worried because I thought that was the airlock, and technically it was the airlock, but I thought that it was going to lead to space. Okay, what do we still have? Look for shit. Look for shit. These two. Cerberus stuff in the Maroon Sea cluster, and investigate facility in the Maroon Sea cluster. Okay, I think I know where I'm going then. Out there, out there, out there. Maroon Sea, there you are. This is probably entirely new since I have 2 side quests going here. So sure, Matano, I think these are the 2 that we need to go to actually. So let's start with Caspian and see where we go. I don't remember the green stars. Start out here. Antida. Antida is a standard hydrogen-helium gas giant. Its atmosphere is darkened by traces of sodium. It is one of relatively few planets known with an orbital period of more than a millennium. Green insignia. Okay. Almarkrux. Almarkrux has an atmosphere of methane and ethane. Despite its great distance from Caspian, the energetic young star heats the surface almost temperate levels. I think you missed a 2 in there at some point. Thick ground fogs are common at the Terminator, where water ice frozen during the long dark side night meets with the warm air masses from the day side. The crust is mainly composed of copper with deposits of sodium. Almarkrux's abundant water and relatively mild temperature and gravity have placed it on the shortlist of terraforming candidate worlds. However, there is significant opposition from eco-ethics groups who assert that Almarkrux's primitive methanotrophic bacteria may be a precursor to a full-fledged native ecology. Which, that is an argument that I actually expect will become more of a thing over time. Not at Mass Effect, but like if we were to discover bacteria on the caves of Mars, the ice sheet of Europa, that kind of thing, then I would expect that this would actually be a conversation we'd be having. Can we terraform when we now know there is life, and so can argue that that life could form a full ecology? Farnuri. Farnuri has a trace atmosphere of carbon dioxide and helium. The surface is mainly composed of silica laced with iron oxides, indicating the world had an oxygenated atmosphere at some point in the past. Given the relative youth of the blue star Caspian and the significant gravity well of Farnuri, this must have occurred with astonishing swiftness, perhaps a result of some cataclysmic event. Further research is required. Well, that's all you're ever going to hear about that. Oh, we found gold. Okay. Klotanka. Hi, Klotanka! What the hell? Klotanka is a large but low-density terrestrial world with an atmosphere of nitrogen and carbon monoxide. Its crust is composed of sulfur and unremarkable silicates. Occasional deposits of heavy metals, usually the result of meteor strikes, dot the surface. High-speed winds powered by the hot blue star Caspian present a constant hazard. Atmospheric entry is hazardous and EVAs are discouraged. And we found iridium. Okay. Check for an asteroid. Nope. What's up with you? MSV Cornucopia. The Cornucopia is a Kowloon-class modular conveyor of human design. While obviously adrift, the Cornucopia is not broadcasting any distress call. Registry, Exol, or shipping. Is there anything we're supposed to bring on this one? I don't remember if there's any person to bring on this. I'll take the usual squad then. Okay, samples. Metano systems, that's not where we are. Vostok system is not where we are. So this is not a side mission that we have. This is just a random thing. Okay. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, god damn it. Don't explode. Oh. Fair's fair, it exploded in an interesting way. Hi, husks. I suppose I can stop them from exploding if I shoot fast enough. So was Dead Space released when this game came out? No exploding for you! I don't think I even hit that one. Screw you. Garrus, why are you on an assault rifle? Like, I know it's more suited to these corners, to this range, but no, you're a sniper. Any goodies? No? Okay. All three are open. That one says it's a quest marker, though, so let's try here. Hi, Dragon's Teeth. You won't be called that in this game, but you'll be retconned into being called that later. Fusion Explosive 9. Actually. Grenade, I think. 31 damage, 31 force, 120 radius. Toxic damage. Oh, okay. High Explosive 9, though. So we did upgrade, just not the other thing we just got. Oh, nothing shot at me, so I'll take that as a positive. Inferno rounds. Ooh, Firestorm 10. I get out of 9. Okay. Is that better? Nope. Okay. I get out of 9. Nope. Okay. Oh, off to go figure out whatever the hell is going on here. Ah.
According to the log files, the ship was out near the Perseus Veil. Looks like they found some kind of alien artifact. They brought it on board, and then... This doesn't make any sense. They plotted a course straight into the Perseus Veil, like they wanted the Geth to find them.
That artifact must have done something to them. Why else would someone fly into Geth space?
The entries don't make a lot of sense after that. It's like the captain's mind was falling apart. Doesn't say anything about how the ship got back into human territory.
The Geth transformed them into husks and left the vessel where they knew it would be found. A warning to other organics not to enter the Veil.
That does not make sense, given the ongoing plot of the Geth in future games.
According to the... They brought it on board, and then...
What else do the logs
The
say?
entries don't make a lot of
The
sense.
Geth transformed them into husks.
I guess that's
and
it.
left the vessel where they knew it would be found.
Yeah, they get a lot more interesting with how they write the Geth in the future games. The Geth don't factor much into Mass Effect 2, aside from one specific thing where it's as you're getting near the end of the game. But then going into Mass Effect 3, there's actually quite possibly my favorite storyline in Mass Effect. I would have to actually try to rank the different storylines to really come up with an answer to that, though. And obviously that storyline I just mentioned has to do with the Geth, in case that isn't obvious from context. Oh, that's that system. Now over to the next one. Vostok. And these aren't the pseudo-loyalty missions, so I can just kind of take whoever. Pataiton. A rather small hydrogen-helium gas giant, Pataiton's atmosphere contains large quantities of chlorine. Matriarch's writings. Ulco. The geological properties of Alco have been scanned from orbit, but little else is known about it. A fairly typical mix outer system terrestrial of rock and ice, Alco has a trace atmosphere of krypton and xenon. Its crust is composed of silicates and water ice with deposits of aluminum. Unregistered starship traffic has been reported in the vicinity of this planet. Travel is not advised.
Looks like we've got an active distress beacon on the planet below, Commander. No message, just a locator signal.
Notacrux. Get to you in a moment. Clomarthu. Clomarthu has a reducing atmosphere of methane and nitrogen. The surface is hot and mainly composed of sodium with deposits of uranium. In terms of size and orbit, Clomarthu is a virtual twin of Earth, but utterly lacks life. Check for asteroids. Ah, there we go. Survey, heavy metal, palladium, yay. Keep looking for the second one, because they might sneak one in occasionally. Nope, okay, Notacrux it is. Notacrux is a verdant world with abundant water, temperate climate, and a thick nitrogen-oxygen atmosphere, and a rich ecosystem. It would seem to be perfect for life. The relatively high percentage of oxygen makes humans feel energized and alive, though it has also allowed insect analogs to grow to frightful sizes. Unfortunately, Notacrux is a case of almost, not quite. Thunderstorms are as common as on Earth, but in Notacrux's thicker, oxygen-rich atmosphere, they are deafening and spark constant wildfires. More damning, however, are the large and ubiquitous tufts of pollen that float on the high-pressure air. In humans and other oxygen-breathing species, they cause severe or lethal allergic reactions. Fun! Boop, 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 boop. Oh, hi there, enemies. Okay, so go to the map. So that's probably what we're at. No, we're looking over here, aren't we? Yeah, that's over there. Huh, that's over here somewhere. But yeah, so I'm going to bring up the map on my second monitor, but also since we're basically at the hour-ish mark here, I'm also going to go take my per hour 5-ish minute stretch break. So I'll be back in a couple of minutes here, and I'll bring up the second monitor before I bring you back. So see you soon. Bye. Hey, I'm back a little bit early here. Let me take you back into the game. Hi, sorry, the stream is gonna end kind of early here. As I went out to go take my little stretch break there, I went and checked my phone and saw that I had a notification. And it actually appears that one of my college friends has passed. I'll be honest, I wasn't actually super close to him aside from about 2 years in college. But this is the kind of thing where I know it's going to keep being on my mind constantly throughout the next hour of stream. So I am going to go ahead and cut the stream here and be back at my normal streaming time tomorrow at 7 p.m. EST. Probably with Genshin. Failing that with Mass Effect, come to make up for this. Don't worry, I am fine. I am starting to cry at the moment, but that's very much because I'm just letting this out. But don't worry about me. I'm doing okay. This is just very sudden and unexpected. So thank you all very much for joining me today. If this live stream hasn't ruined your life, then go ahead and do that. YouTube's my favorite a million times. I hope you have a wonderful remainder of your day. Go reach out to someone that loves you. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you.